Hi, I am Bhavya and I am presenting our work Compressed Sensing MRI Reconstruction with CoVegan Complex Valued Generative Adversarial Network. MRI is a commonly used medical imaging modality, but it has a long scan time. Compressed sensing can speed up the acquisition process by breaking the Nyquist sampling limit, but doing so renders the recovery process ill-posed. Conventional methods for CSMRI reconstruction use an iterative optimization process and rely on the sparsity assumption, which is not always valid. Deep learning based methods overcome these limitations, but they suffer from a fundamental drawback, that is, they treat the complex valued MRI data as real valued entities, discarding the phase content as shown in the pipeline in this figure. In contrast, the pipeline that we propose involves using complex operations in all stages to recover both the magnitude and phase content accurately. To do so, we propose a novel GAN-based framework where the generator leverages complex valued operations to produce the reconstructed output based on a given undersampled input. To train our model, we use three loss functions in addition to the adversarial loss to ensure that the reconstructed image is close to the ground truth. While the mean absolute error-based loss focuses on the reconstruction of the low-frequency content, and the structural similarity-based loss focuses on the high-frequency content, the proposed Gaussian-weighted wavelet loss ensures that the mid-frequency content is also preserved in the output. As our framework involves complex valued operations, in this table we compare the complex valued equivalents of three operations which are commonly used in real valued neural networks, namely convolution, batch normalization, and gradient descent based weight updation. However, for the fourth operation, that is activation, obtaining the complex valued equivalent does not exploit the complex algebraic structure of the data and has not been studied as extensively. We propose a novel complex valued activation PCWSS, where the input is scaled by a function gain, which is formulated as a weighted sum of sinusoids and is sensitive to the input phase. There is another parameter to change the phase after the scaling to obtain the final output. Our activation has a learnable profile, making it flexible, and it is sensitive to the input phase, which is a crucial part of complex valued entities. This figure shows an example for a fixed set of the values of the trainable parameters. Figure A shows a set of complex valued inputs. Figure B shows gain as a function of the input phase. Figure C shows the polar plot of the gain. Figure D shows the scaled inputs, and figure E shows the effect of the phase change parameter. Now we move on to the results. This figure shows the comparison of various activation functions with the proposed activation as well as two of its variants. It can be seen that our activation performs better in terms of both the peak signal to noise ratio and the structural similarity as compared to the other activations. This slide shows the quantitative and qualitative results and comparison of our method with other state-of-the-art CSMRI reconstruction methods for a real value dataset. The inset in the bottom right shows the difference of the zoomed in region with the ground truth. Clearly, our method obtains superior quality reconstructions. In this slide, we show the results for a complex valued dataset and comparison with the baseline based on DAGAN, which is a state-of-the-art deep learning based approach. It can be seen that our method obtains accurate reconstruction of both the magnitude and the phase content. To summarize, our approach obtains significant improvement over other methods for reconstruction of CSMRI images, particularly for complex valued datasets, and it does so using a significantly fewer number of trainable parameters with a reconstruction time of milliseconds, making it viable for commercial use. For more details, please visit our GitHub page.